Hi guys, I just got my mechanical keyboard from Mickey's website, and here is the package that I have received. And I have ordered my keyboard from Mickey's website because in the Amazon the keyboard is showing 8500 and in the Mickey's it is showing only 7500 rupees. And the keyboard that I have ordered is Royal Kludge M87 model. Let me open the box. Here you can see the keyboard manual. Let me keep it aside. Here is the keyboard. In the box we will receive a green keys. If at all any keys got damaged, we can replace using these key switches. And also we will get a type C to type A USB for the wide connection. And here we have a key cap puller. Let me remove the cover of the keyboard. And here you can see the beautiful Royal Kludge M87 keyboard. The keys are double shot PPT key caps, and you can see it's a color combination of red, white and black key caps. It looks so beautiful. Also at the back you can see two level adjustments of the keyboard. The keyboard is so heavy and I can feel the premiumness of the keyboard. And also here you can see the connectivity options, the 2.5 GHz dongle and type C for wide connections. And also we have Bluetooth for wireless connections for 3 devices. We also get a keyboard cover for protecting the keyboard if we don't want anything dust to be accumulated between the keys. And here you can see the RGB effect of the keyboard. And when it comes to the brightness, the keyboard brightness backlight is so bright, and the RGB effect is also so beautiful. And we can control the RGB using this knob over the top right corner. You can see here I'm controlling the RGB using this knob. And also we can switch between Bluetooth, wide and 2.5 GHz using this knob. And for using other knob we can control the volume up and down. We also get a software support for customizing the RGB of the keyboard. Here you can see I can switch between different effects of RGB lights, and also we can map the key mappings between in this software, and several things can be done in this software. And let's listen the keyboard sound.